Hello, my name is Simone Resent, President of Beauty Built. Exactly 3 years ago, my business partner and I, Marissa Khan, have entered this amazing journey with the mission of contributing to men and women's sense of aesthetics and well-being, which is very important to us, by hosting and organizing events in the beauty industry that would bring to you amazing professionals of the beauty industry, the latest technologies available out there. Because the company has been growing at such great rates, we have formed incredible partnerships, we have met amazing beauty professionals, we have decided to undergo a small aesthetic procedure in our brand so we can continue being your reference in beauty industry's technology. For this reason, and this is why, International Beauty has now become Beauty Built. And by the way, we would like to share with you that our new site has launched, so we invite you to look at beautybuilt.com. We hope to see you soon in one of our classes. It will be a pleasure meeting you and assisting you in every way we can. Thank you and bye-bye.